just like they were toying with the rookies, gave them a big advantage, and then just came back and ate them up alive here in the second half.
Sophomores led by 3 at the end of the first. Then the rookies came back to lead by 8 at the half.
Yeah.
Tapos in the third, sabi ng sophomores, okay, it's time to get to work.
You know, the last time I saw an NBA star that's when nabilib ako kay Gilbert Arenas. He was playing in the sophomore team, and he came up, I think, with 39 ball game. A lot of them were done in the second half when they just completely pulled.
Now we have a timeout here for the rookies. They're being overwhelmed here with 5:48 remaining in the fourth.
30 p.m. PBA Tito.
Well, in the past, ito ang mga naging Blitz game MVPs. Umulon, twice.
O nga, no, nakakagulat.
Arwin Santos and Ronjay Buenafe in 2008. Hindi po tayo nagkaroon ng Blitz game in 2009. So this is the return of the Blitz game format. The exhibition game between the rookies and the sophomores of the PBA.
So, Umulon must have won as a rookie, then he won as a sophomore. It doesn't seem na ganun katagal na naglalaro sa Pro League si Umulon, pero you know, di pala ganun katagal, he was still a rookie.
You know, you can only win Blitz game MVP twice at the most, because if you do more than twice, ano yun, repeater ka.
Bumagsak ka. Lalo na pag naging 2 beses ka rookie player, dayaan na yun.
Mabigat yun.
Dayaan na yun.
And Urbistondo with an air ball. Here's Belga firing away.
Sabi ni Jeff, ang laki na ng lamang natin, bibigyan mo away. Pasalamat, habulin ko yan.
And here's Jervy with a miss.
Not getting enough spin on that shot. Here's Belga anchoring a pass break, ba?
Oh, Belga.
Really, that size of the sophomores and it's Belga again. And Mark Yee, 3 points.
3 points yan, finally.
Marky, you know, parang sinasabi ni Marky, what are you guys talking about, saying that only Dillinger can dunk or Corbora? I can dunk too.
Saka nakita mo talaga nagbuelo siya ron. Ito pa nga, 4-point play coming up for him.
And this guy never fails to surprise me.
Tama, he was a part of the 2 years ago yung rookie draft mo ba? Sabi ni Willie Marshall, Coach Willie, hindi ko na sabihin ko. Wala kaya nag-draft kay Marshall. Hindi naman maklaro yun. Tapos, di ba, kung saan napunta yan. But he was somebody eventually picked him up.
Bistondo, no go. One more try. Yes, sir.
The second time is always bet around is better.
I never doubt it, Dr. J. And here's Jeff Chan. Nice crossover move all the way for 2.
Well, obviously, defense is very lax at this stage with only 3 minutes and 44 seconds left. But, you know, there's a foul there on Rob Reyes and free throw shots coming up here for Timberlake.
Foul on number 22, Rob Reyes. Will step away at line to shoot 2 free throws.
We're inviting you, of course, to join us again on Sunday for the North-South All-Star Game, plus yung mga shootouts, including the Legends shootouts. No? That will be earlier in the afternoon, about 5. Timberlake splitting his charities, 18-point lead.
And I would like to thank Mr. Mike Mendoza and Christy Mendoza, as well as Mr. Wilson Mendoza of Bajao Seafood Restaurant. You know why I'm thanking them?
Yeah.
Because they're hosting our dinner after this game.
We were there earlier at lunchtime at saka medyo maayos naman ang mga menu room. A lot of people go there.
Great view.
Yeah, great
view, great food. All right, back with more action in a moment. You know, Belga has been the quarterback of the sophomore team. Wala siyang ginawa kundi to look for
rebound,
people going to the hoop.
Rebound, baseball pass, rebound, baseball pass. Half court lang ang laro ni
Ay, siguro sabi ni Belga, kayo na tumakbo ng tumakbo.
Ako pala, I'll take care of the defense, I'll take care of the rebounding, you do the running. Kung masali nyo pa ako
Palagay
dito.
ko,
Hindi nyo naman ako papasahan.
palagay ko, bawat assist niya, extra rice yun.
Oh, that's a foul. That'll be the sixth foul of a fifth foul of Rob Reyes. That's a foul. You may be surprised, but that is a foul. The only thing that can surprise him is that wasn't called in the first half. Many of those kind of drive-ins were not called. Ganda talaga yung North-South All-Star. A lot of great athletes, lot of big names. Of course, sa South, Cyrus, James, Eric Meng, Asi Taulaba, Jimmy Alapag. North, dami rin magagaling dyan.
Nice follow away by Jeff Chan. Under 3 minutes remaining in the Blitz game. Here's Timberlake outside Urbistondo. Yes, sir.
Josh Urbistondo, 3 points.
And here's Jeff Chan, sidestep beauty. It's been a great day here in Puerto Princesa. Jonas Villanueva of San Miguel was the winner in the obstacle course. Mark Macapagal of the Coca-Cola Tigers won our 3-point shootout. And Nino KG Canaleta wins our slam dunk contest in a dunk-off with Kelly Williams. Now here's Urbistondo again. Yes, sir!
Josh Urbistondo, it's a 3.
Back-to-back 3-point shots dito para kay Urbistondo. But only 2 minutes and 11 seconds left. Ayan, si Belga, half-court lang. Sabi niya, sali ka naman.
And here's Jeff Chan. Rob Reyes trying a 3. Rebound for Timberlake.
Urbistondo might be throwing this up again.
Yeah, it goes in.
Josh Urbistondo,
All of a sudden, with 3 triple conversions, he has 17 points in the game. You know, Chan, he missed an easy one there. But really, Chan and Jared Dillinger did play well in the backcourt for the sophomore.
Some late substitutions here para kay head coach George Gallant. There's Dillinger, leading candidate for Blitz game MVP.
He had a great second half. A couple of big 3-point shots, great passing to his teammates, great creation, plus a very good block shot of a driving Ross. Isa pa, sabi na rin si Sondo, sama na natin ito.
Well, it was a fast, physical game. And because it was a physical game, ultimately the more physical team won out.
Physical? I like this, sabi ni Marky Belga.
Matias.
Ito yung
Physical ang baka mo.
Ito yung gusto namin.
Rob Reyes.
You take another
Urbistondo again. Not that time.
He must have taken about 12, at least 12 3-point shots in this game. He missed a lot earlier.
Gregora being harassed. Jeff Chan alley-oop no go. Under a minute to play in the fourth and final quarter. You know, nung pabilisan ng laro, back in the second quarter, the rookies went to town and even led by 8 by the end of the second quarter. Pero pag simula nung second half, Dr. Chase, sabi ng
Seryoso
course,
na,
tama na. Here's Reyes.
And they had a ton of fast break points. They had a ton of... Whoa! Another dunk! Nakakadalawa ng 3-point. Kandidato rin ito, si Marky.
3-point dunks.
Kandidato rin ito.
Alley-oop! Almost, but not quite.
Oh, what a great pass by Marcy. You see, Jeff can dunk. No, I've never seen him do that. Sabi siya, half-court lang na rin. Pasa kayo ng paso na ganyan, half-court lang. Oh, 3-point shot!
Take this! All right, they'll give the ball to Ross.
Oh! Ito ba ito? Ito pa isa! Oh! That's what the All-Star is about. Fun and laughter.
Okay, Chan will try. And a nice assist from Marky.
Pwede yun parang si Shaq yun tinasi dyan yung Barrientos. Ito ba isa pa?
Mercer!
Oh! He missed that one.
So the final score, sophomores win the 2010 Blitz game, 106-87